How do you clear search history on Instagram? Hey friends, it's me again. If you've searched for different things on Instagram and you want to clear your search history, there are lots of easy ways you can do this. In this video, I'll show you two methods you can use to clear your search history on Instagram. Alright, so open the Instagram app. The first method is to go through your profile. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in your profile, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. You'll be given several options. Tap on your activities, then scroll down and tap on recent searches. You'll see a list of all the searches you've made. To clear them, you can either click on the arrow sign in front of each entry, or you can click on the clear all option at the top. Once you click on the clear all option, you will clear all the searches. So click on the clear all option, confirm it, and now all your search history are gone. The second method is to use the search icon in the menu page. Enter the search you want to make. All my searches are gone, so you enter the search and you'll see the list of all your searches. Click on the arrow sign next to each entry and all your searches are gone. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, as this means a lot to me. See you in the next video.